to the prestigious Premchandra Tarkavagish Endowment Lecture 2023 in the Department of Sanskrit, and we are going to start our program with our dignitaries on the dais. I would first invite Professor Bashu Chaudhary, who played a key role in getting this endowment lecture in our department. And sir, we are so indebted to you. I invite you to come on the dais and have your seat. I'll request Dr. Shweta Prajapati, Director of Oriental Institute, MS University, Baroda, will chair the session, to come over the stage and take the seat. Madam, please. I'll invite then our main speaker, Professor Rabindra Kumar Panda, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Sri Jagannath Sanskrit University, Puri, to come to the dais and take his seat kindly. Please, sir. Now, our program is ready to start with the Mangalacarana by our Professor Spandita Mukherjee.
Om Bhadrang Karnevi Srinvamo Deva Bhadrang Pashyemakshavir Yajatra Sthirairangai Stushtuvangshastanuvir Vyashema Devahitang Yadayu. Om Sangno Mitra Sangvaruna Sangno Bhavattaryama Sangna Indro Brihaspati Sangno Vishnu Rurukramaha. Om Apyayantu Mamangani Vakpranashchakshushrutram Matha Balamindriyani Cha Sarvani Sarvang Brahmopanishadam Mahang Brahma Nirakuriyam Mama Brahma Nirakaro Anirakaranamastu Anirakaranagameyastu Tadatmani Nirate Ya Upanishatsu Dharma Stemai Santu Om Vangme Manasi Pratisthita Mano me vachi pratishthitam avirabirmayedhi vedasya ma'anistha shrutam me ma prahasi anenaditena haraptam sandadami ritang vadishyami satyam vadishyami tanmam avatu tadvaktaram avatu mam avatu bhaktaram Om Sahanavavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasmi Navadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityor Ma Amatangamaya Avir Ma Edhi. Om Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garuradhvaja Mangalam Pundarikaksha Mangalaya Tanohari. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surjakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Om Swastina Indro Vriddhasravaha Swastina Pusha Vishwavedaha Swaste Narsaksha Arishtademihi Swaste no Brihaspati Dadhatu. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
করেছেন। উপস্থিত সকলকে আমাদের সংস্কৃত বিভাগ কলকাতা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের পক্ষ থেকে স্বাগত। আমরা অত্যন্ত আনন্দিত যে 2016 সালে যে এন্ডাওমেন্ট লেকচারটি শুরু হয়েছিল পণ্ডিত প্রেমচন্দ্র তর্কবাগীশের স্মৃতির উদ্দেশ্যে, সেটি আজ 2023-এ এসে পুনরায় অনুষ্ঠিত হচ্ছে। এর আগে আমরা 4টি বক্তৃতা 4 বছরে শুনেছিলাম, কিন্তু দুঃখের বিষয় যে 2020 থেকে মহামারী এবং অন্যান্য কারণে এই কবছর এই অনুষ্ঠান হতে পারেনি। আমাদের মহা সৌভাগ্য যে এবছর আমরা আবার এখানে মিলিত হতে পেরেছি এই অনুষ্ঠান সম্পন্ন করতে। We are very grateful to our honorable speakers, Professor R.K. Panda, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Sri Jagannath Sanskrit University, Puri, and the Chair, Dr. Shweta Prajapati, Director of the Oriental Institute, AMS University, Baroda. We are also very happy to get among ourselves Professor Bashuk Chaudhuri, whom we consider the founder of this event. In fact, he was who played the key role in getting this endowment lecture to our department. And we are equally grateful to the sponsor, Mr. Vishwanath Chattopadhyay, who is the 6th generation of Pandit Premchandra Tarkabagish, and being a chemical engineer himself, his extreme respect for Sanskrit and his forefathers' works, and it is he who inspired us that how we can respect our forefathers who were so devoted to the study of Sanskrit. And I welcome everyone here present to be a part of this special occasion. And since our Vice Chancellor Madam and Registrar Sir is now unavailable for some time, we'll greet them when they arrive and felicitate them when we get a chance to. For Premchandra Tarkabagish, we have our sponsor, this lecture. He will enlighten us about his life. I may only quote this thing, that he was the mentor of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, and born in 1805. He was a teacher in Sanskrit college, and not only he was the teacher of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, but among his galaxy of students there were many 4 figures of Bengal Renaissance. He also was the very competent associate with H.H. Wilson, and he had also helped James Prinsep in his works to decipher the Indian inscriptions. We'll all come to know about his works and contribution, and today we have the honor to pay him our tribute.